It's an exciting time here for the Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture. So we've had a great summer. Our students have been here conducting undergraduate research, graduate research. We've done extension programming like workshops and camps, events for youth. And we've done a lot of teaching activities over the summer, especially with our student farm to get students involved in growing edible crops for production. We also have an exciting time because we have new facilities coming online. And with a generous gift from the Ferguson family, we will have a new Frontiers Ag Hall in 2 years.
Ferguson College of Agriculture and other facilities really set a tone for the university. It gives us the opportunity to attract the best and brightest. When you have state-of-the-art facilities, that's what you can do, is attract those that might not otherwise think about Oklahoma State. We want to be leaders, and to be leaders you need to have facilities that allow you to do the research you need, to be innovative, and to give our students a world-class experience right here at Oklahoma State.
We also have our Greenhouse Learning Center, which has been open about 2 years now, and our students have really made themselves at home. They have developed plans for a poinsettia sale and for a spring plant sale each year. Along with the Hort Club, this year we're going to have a new event for new students on campus to have a plant drop. That's where we're going to grow 1,000 plants and give them out for free for all new students here on campus.
I always say, the best part of Oklahoma State University is our people, which means our alumni and our students and faculty. And that means, from the culture, but also from the impact that we have on society. So, Oklahoma State University exists as a land grant, and part of that is making good communities great through the work that we do and expanding our work and solving society's most pressing needs. And doing that requires us to have students engaged as well as faculty.
So we're very excited for our students to be back for the semester, to get here, to have a good time, to have fun, but to learn and to bring horticulture to Oklahoma and to the world.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.